Hi class, this is Ms. Champagne and I'm going to teach you how to convert a mixed number or a mixed fraction to an improper fraction and vice versa, improper back to mixed. So this is called an improper fraction. And it's improper because if I had a person that weighed 289 pounds, is it okay for me to take that person and sit that person on top of someone that only weighs 40 pounds? No, that is totally improper. So when the top number is bigger, sitting on top of the small number, that is called an improper fraction. There are a couple of ways to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. And what we want to know is if I had $289 sitting on a desk, dollar bills all spread out, how many times can I walk by that desk and take $40 each time, grab $40 each time off of that desk, right? So the first thing that we can do in order to find that out is to subtract. That's one method. If you don't like this method, you don't have to use it. So we want to see how many times we can subtract. But first, when we're going from an improper fraction to a mixed number means that we're going to have a whole number out front, and then we're going to have a fraction behind it. So the first step is for you to draw 3 empty boxes. Okay? Second step is for you to understand that the bottom number in this case is 40, is which we call the denominator, will stay the same. Okay, so that is the second step. So I'm going to take this 40 and I'm going to write it right over here. So 40 goes inside this box. Now we're going to subtract. So now I'm going to take 289 and see how many times I can subtract 40 from it. Minus 40. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. Bring down your 2. So this is one time. I'm going to subtract 40 again. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down your 2. That's the second time. And I'm just going to keep subtracting. $0 minus $4. If I have $0, then I cannot take away 4 from it. So I have to go next door to the 2, borrow 1, and the one that I borrowed, place it right here in front of that 0, makes that a 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Now I have to bring down the 1. Okay, so I'm just going to keep subtracting. So I have minus 40. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bring down your 1. Minus 40. I'm going to circle every time I subtract, so I won't lose track. 2 minus 4. If I have $2, I can't take away 4. Got to go next door to the 1. Excuse me, borrow 1. The one that I borrowed, place it right here in front of this 2, makes it a 12. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to subtract 40 again. 8 minus 4 is 4. I'm going to subtract 40 again. This one we have 9 left over. So I'm going to count and see how many times I subtracted 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I subtracted 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number 7 goes out front in the big box. So I'm going to go up here and put 7. I was able to subtract 40 7 times. And how many did I have left over? Correct, 9 left over. So 9 goes up here in this box. So 9 left.